Nourish and thrive. Present. 7 potential health benefits of avocado you never knew. Avocado, the creamy green fruit beloved by many, isn't just delicious, it's a nutritional powerhouse packed with incredible health benefits. In this video, we'll explore 7 surprising benefits of avocado that you might not have known about. Stay tuned. Benefit 1. Heart health. Avocados offer significant benefits for heart health. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. By incorporating avocados into your diet, you can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels, thus reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Additionally, avocados are an excellent source of potassium. Potassium is a vital mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. By consuming potassium-rich foods like avocados, you can help lower your blood pressure levels and support overall heart health. Benefit 2. Improved digestion. Avocados are a fantastic addition to your diet if you're looking to improve digestion. One of the key reasons for this is their impressive fiber content. Avocados are rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber, with just one medium-sized avocado providing around 13 grams of fiber, which is over half of the daily recommended intake for adults. Avocados contain natural plant compounds that have been shown to support digestive health. These compounds have anti-inflammatory properties and may help soothe the digestive tract, reducing the risk of conditions like inflammatory bowel disease. Benefit 3. Skin health. Avocados can work wonders for your skin. They are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, the healthy fats in avocados keep your skin moisturized and glowing, promoting a youthful appearance. Incorporating avocados into your diet or using avocado-based skincare products can help nourish and rejuvenate your skin, leaving it soft, smooth, and radiant. Benefit 4. Weight management. If you're looking to maintain a healthy weight, avocados can be your best friend. Despite their creamy texture, avocados are low in carbs and high in fiber, making them incredibly filling. Plus, the healthy fats in avocados help keep you satisfied for longer, reducing the urge to snack. Their healthy fats also help regulate appetite and promote satiety, making them a satisfying and nutritious choice for those looking to maintain a healthy weight. Benefit 5. Eye health. Avocados are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your eyesight. They contain powerful antioxidants, lutein, and zeaxanthin, which are essential for maintaining good eye health. These antioxidants are particularly concentrated in the macula of the eye, where they help filter out harmful blue light and protect against oxidative damage caused by free radicals. By consuming foods rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, such as avocados, you can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. In addition to lutein and zeaxanthin, avocados also contain vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that plays a role in maintaining healthy vision. Vitamin E helps protect the cells of the eyes from damage, preserving their function and supporting overall eye health. Benefit 6. Brain health. Avocados are not just good for your body, they're also beneficial for your brain. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and can help improve memory and cognitive function. Adding avocados to your diet may even reduce the risk of developing Alzheimer's disease. Benefit 7. Nutrient absorption. Last but not least, avocados can enhance nutrient absorption. They contain fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which need fat to be absorbed properly. Adding avocado to your meals can help you get the most out of the nutrients in your food. In conclusion, Avocados are not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. From heart health to brain health, they offer a wide range of benefits that can improve your overall well-being. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to stock up on avocados and reap the rewards of this amazing fruit. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health and nutrition tips. Thanks for watching.